Yes, and I'm giving you my honest opinion unfiltered.
Yeah.
Let him yabo. Igijima ngento wrong.
Yeah.
Under the guise of this task team.
Nathi sikhona lapha siyaphandwa lapha siyaphenywa lapha.
Yeah, general. And ngiyacabanga ukuthi Natali, I'm sure we're busy because this is where these things are cooked. What I find embarrassing, and when I talk to people, sometimes you are complicit to crime being committed.
Yeah.
Which are being complicit because ne le mfana beka constable nini ngise HRD ngoba warrant ngoba captain seka colonel but uhamba la khamba khona uLucky
uLucky ulomuphi
uLucky umkhona so at some point there was into ngathi bayarelate baze bayafana futhi ngathi they relate
fana nomkhwanazi
yeah kakhulu futhi so
and uyena lo suspect ukuthi uthathe imali
hayi ukuthi suspect uye lo uNPA ethatha imali but
ngithumela ushabalala
manje into engayi understand ne ukuthi abokhumalo like bakhuluma ngathi benza into eziright like mina bese mina kuthi generally ngafunda ukuthi uba islima kuyanceda yabona ngoba mawusuka ubabonisa ukuthi uyabona kula wenza khona izitha so rather abacabanga ukuthi uhleli la abacabanga uhleli khona but the same young Khumalo uyo busy. I asked him the other day ngimbonise ngathi ufunani la bathi ngimkuthathe ngathi wacishe ngawo cishe ngathi hawu so umkhwanazi ukuthumele ngala
ugijima ngame lo
so uthunyiwe because trust me at some point he was his driver ne mara ukuthi nje yela ungambona ufana no Lucky at some point I can't remember wathi no ngathi bayahlobana yabona so I understand ukuthi le team wayengakhona ukuba sorry but it is because khona udoti nje abawuphushayo that I can tell you because yini into enzima that's why ngithi mina tomorrow sibize ukuthi ama docket if I say court there's no need for the team ukuthi hlali yenzani if I case ya court niyabizwa niyasapuna nama witnesses you understand niya on that day hayi ukuthi kumele lihlale ngathi nilinde
I think uconsultant no Lucky wathi no amadocket wamalethela kimi
but akakwazi angisho kune instruction general
ukuthi aye kuwe
yes
yebo
so which is why ngithi mina yabona ukuthi without ukuthi siveze ukuthi mina ngime kuphi asiyenza official ukona usibize nje uthi hayi na instruction then akansinthumule give me feedback yebo
yeah ngizombiza but angithi uzongitshela nje akunikeza iexcuse ukuthi akekho local or ukuphi angithi ubonile ukuthi yena siya attend wonke umuntu uyattenda yena akavele
ufonile nje ubalasha ama-dockets ngathi mina sonke base size khona John ukuba wathi yena hayi ucela ukuhlala e-ofisini ngathi mina kumnandi kuba ngoba wena uvunyelwe uyabona
yena ubusy uyazi ngokutshela babusy bagijima ngame left right and center hot monitoring bazama amafoni wami ngapha nangapha ngiyathola konke lokho yabo
but into ebuhlungu general ne ukuthi umgodi mina ngafunda ukuthi umgodi mawugubha akungeni lo mgubhela ngena wena
iproblem ukuthi ngihlala nomphathi wami ongathi akazi lutho kodwa uyazokungiya ngicela ukuphendula lokho lengenayo tu
okay general mina tekele sharp general